Probabilities of events. The probability of an event can be computed from the probability distribution. For example, the probability of the event of 1 or 2 failures is the sum of the probabilities of the constituent outcomes. That is probability of big M equals 1 or big M equals 2 equals the probability of big M equals 1 plus the probability of big M equals 2 equals 0.10 plus 0.06 equals 0.16 or 16%. Cumulative probability distribution. The cumulative probability distribution is the probability that the random variable is less than or equal to a particular value. The final row of table 2.1 gives the cumulative probability distribution of the random variable big M. For example, the probability of at most one connection failure, probability of M is less than or equal to 1 is 90%, which is the sum of the probabilities of no failures, 80%, and of one failure, 10%. A cumulative probability distribution is also referred to as a cumulative distribution function, a CDF, or a cumulative distribution. Figure 2.1, the probability distribution of the number of wireless network connection failures. The height of each bar is the probability that the wireless connection fails the indicated number of times. The height of the first bar is 0.8, so the probability of 0 connection failures is 80%. Of the height of the second bar is 0.1, so the probability of 1 failure is 10%, and so forth for the other bars. On the vertical axis, you have probability. On the horizontal axis, number of failures, 0, 1 through 4. The Bernoulli distribution. An important special case of a discrete random variable is when the random variable is binary. That is, the outcome is 0 or 1. A binary random variable is called a Bernoulli random variable in honor of the 17th century Swiss mathematician and scientist Jacob Bernoulli, and its probability distribution is called the Bernoulli distribution. For example, let big G be the sex of the next person you meet, where big G is equal to 0 indicates that the person is male, and big G equals 1 indicates that the person is female. The outcomes of big G and their probabilities are thus: big G equals two-tiered, two-lined bracket, 1 with probability P and 0 with probability 1 minus P. Equation 2.1, where P is the probability of the next new person you meet being a woman. The probability distribution in equation 2.1 is the Bernoulli distribution.